Hello and welcome YouTube. Today we're gonna do unboxing for PS5, PlayStation 5. This is disc version. So let's get started and see what is inside the box. All right. Okay, so let's see. I did break the seal actually because it was sealed. Here we go. Okay, so I'm trying to make some room here. All right. Let's see. Okay. I'm gonna put the tripod here for a second. There we go. All right, let's get started here. All right. So 825 gigabyte, the internal storage, which is very much huge. Okay, so let me close up here. So it comes with power cord and of course comes with a controller. Okay, let's see the controller. Okay, that's nice one. Okay, so this is the controller, and also comes with USB Type-C cable, and user manual, and the stand. Let's get this stand out. There we go. This is the stand. HDMI cable. Okay. This is very much what's inside the top box. And here, the console itself. Alrighty. It's actually stuck. There we go. All right. Let's see. It's a little bit heavy. So compared with PS4, so PS5 is a little bit heavier than the PS4. Okay, let's keep this one here. Here we go. Alright, so has power cable here and HDMI input. Alright, Ethernet port, that's a network port, and two USB 3.0, that's on the back side, and the front side has a USB port and USB Type-C port, and a couple buttons, which is, I believe, so power button and disk eject button. Okay, and that's it. And by the way, it's a little bit heavy, so yeah, that's everything we have for today. So PS5 unboxing. Feel free to put your comment and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for your time watching my channel, and have a great day. Stay tuned with the next video for my first impression about the PS5. Thanks. Have a good day. Bye bye.